All right, in this helper video, we're going to work through a proportion problem. This problem says Sarah can canoe 14 miles in 8 hours. How many miles could she canoe in 13 hours? All right, so let's set up our proportion problem. The sides that we know is that she can go 14 miles in 8 hours. So I'm going to set that up like a fraction, 14 to 8. We're trying to figure out how many miles, which we don't know, so I'm going to use x as my variable, can she go in 13 hours? So we have our hours both on the bottom, our miles both on the top. So now we're going to use cross multiplying to help us out. So I'm going to draw a line. 8 and the x are together. 8x equals 14 times 13. All right, we have 8 times x, and I can even put that little dot in there, equals 14 times 13. Now our goal is to get x all by itself. So let's simplify this side. 14 times 13, I'm going to do it quickly on my calculator here. 14 times 13 equals 182. So we have 8, I'm going to rewrite it, 8 times x equals 182. Now we have to get the x all by itself. So if we have 8 times x, as we worked with in algebra, to get rid of a side, we have to do the opposite. So we would divide by 8. If we divide by 8 on one side, we divide by 8 on the other side, which would leave us with x equals 182 divided by 8. Let's do that. 182 divided by 8 gets me 22.75, which is our answer of how many miles can she go in 13 hours? Well, 22.75 miles. So even though you might be able to figure this out in your head, I want you to really work through this cross multiplication strategy, showing every step, just like I did here. All right, good luck.